Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the engine air filter in a 2019 to 2024, or actually, well, at this point it's 2019 and newer. Currently it's 2024, but I mean, it's probably going to be the same for like the next couple of years as well until they change the body style. But this is obviously a Toyota Rav4. But the engine air filter we're going to be using is actually a K&N one. You can actually pick it up on Amazon. There's going to be links in the description down below. You can get like a bunch of other ones, there's other cheaper ones, but this is actually a reusable. You can clean it. It's like pretty much like a forever filter as long as you keep it clean and up to date, or you can just get like the cheaper, more disposable ones, but you're gonna have to replace this every so often. But let's go ahead and get started with replacing the filter. All right, so to replace the filter, whenever you come into your engine bay, you're gonna see the air box right here. So in order to get the air box open, there's actually a couple little tabs. There's one right here, which is kind of pop back, and then there's another one right here. But also with most cars, it can go ahead and pop open, but because you have these wires right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and I don't know if we can even lift that up. Yeah, they'll be kind of in the way, so let's go ahead, we'll unplug this right here and wiggle that off. All right, and then there's a little tab right here, and then we can just lift that up, and then same thing here, just lift the little tab, and that slides off. So let's go ahead, set this off to the side, and now we can just go ahead and lift open the air box. It does kind of fit into a couple little notches there in the back, so whenever you lift it, you kind of go up, and then you want to move forward just a little bit, and then now you can actually lift it up. And right here is the old filter, so let's go ahead, reach down in here, and pull that one out. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and... It is a lot easier doing this with two hands, but I can still do it with one. Alright, so there's the old filter. You can see it's actually really dirty. And then we went ahead and got the K&N one right here. So make sure you take the plastic off before sticking it down in there. But you can even see it's like a lot thinner as well. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the plastic and slide that down into place. Alright, so I'm going to see if I can go ahead and put the new filter in with one hand as well, but if not, then I'll just set the camera down. But I do know I can go ahead, lift this up right here, get that filter kind of slid down into place there. Alright, so now it's going to have to turn it into position. And this is something that dealerships charge so much for, and it's something that anybody can pretty much do themselves. Alright, so now I got the new filter kind of down in there. You can see it situated right there. So we're going to go ahead and put this cover back down. Make sure you slide those little back pieces right down there, kind of into their little slots. Oh, we can see it like right there. There we go. So now we'll go ahead and come to the front. Go ahead and push down, flip up that little clip, and there we go. And then same thing for this one. And then let's go ahead and plug these back in. So we're just going to take that just pushes back on, that pushes back on, and then that clips right back in place. So just like that, that is done. Alright, so I really hope this video did help you guys out. If you are interested in picking up some of these parts, you can actually go check them out. There's going to be links in the description down below. And there's even going to be some links for other stuff I've actually done with this car as well. So definitely go check those out. But if you guys did like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this and maybe some others with the Rav4. Definitely hit the subscribe button. But like I said, don't forget to check out my channel. I do have some other videos on this car. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.